Hello everyone, welcome back to Shunya Words. In this video, let's discuss about how to build a career in prompt engineering step-by-step guide. What if I told you that the next big tech career doesn't require years of coding but the right words? Welcome to the world of prompt engineering, a career where creativity meets artificial intelligence and your skill with language can shape how powerful AI systems behave. In this video, we will break down what prompt engineering actually is, what skills you need, the tools to master, how to build a career step by step, and where to find real opportunities even as a beginner. Stay till the end because I will show you how to start earning from this skill even if you are not a programmer. Let's get started. First, what is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is the art and science of communicating with AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or Midjourney in a way that produces accurate, creative, and useful response. Think of it like this. If AI is a super intelligent machine, prompts are your instructions, your words are the steering wheel. A prompt engineer knows how to ask the right question, structure commands clearly, use context and constraints, and guide AI to behave intelligently for specific tasks writing, coding, data analysis, marketing, design, or automation. Example: a weak prompt, write me a blog on AI. A strong prompt, write a 700 word blog explaining AI in simple terms for beginners. Use examples, a friendly tone, and add a conclusion. The difference is prompt engineering. And guess what? Companies are paying thousands of dollars for experts who can do this effectively. Second, why prompt engineering matters in 2025. AI tools are everywhere in search, business, education, healthcare, and software development, but they only perform as well as the instructions they are given. That's where prompt engineers come in. Top companies like OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, and Adobe hire prompt engineers to train, test, and refine AI systems. They help machines understand human intent better, and as AI becomes more integrated into work from design to decision making, prompt engineers are becoming the bridge between humans and the machines. It's like learning to talk to the future fluently. Third, the skills you need. To succeed in prompt engineering, you don't need to be a hardcore coder, but you do need a mix of technical, creative, and analytical skills. Let's break them down. Communication and critical thinking. You must know how to write clearly, think logically, and give detailed instructions. Every word in a prompt changes the outcome, so clarity is everything. Creativity and imagination. Prompt engineers often simulate roles, scenarios, or ideas to get the best results. You must write prompts like act as a cybersecurity expert analyzing a data breach, or imagine you're a teacher designing a creative quiz. This creative angle sets you apart. Technical awareness: you don't need to code deeply, but understanding Python APIs and data formats like JSON or CSV helps. You should also be comfortable using AI tools and frameworks. Research and domain knowledge. Prompts perform better when you understand the topic. For example, finance prompts need financial literacy, design prompts need creativity and brand tone understanding. Understanding of AI behavior. You will need to experiment, test outputs, refine wording, and observe how models respond. It's part psychology, part logic. Fourth, tools every prompt engineer should master. To build a career, you must know how to work with the tools of the trade. Here are some of the most important ones: large language models, ChatGPT or GPT-5, Claude, Google Gemini, Metalama. Learn their prompt formats and capabilities. Image generation tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, Leonardo AI, Stable Diffusion. Each one interprets prompts differently. Learning their language is key. AI automation platforms, OpenAI Playground for prompt testing, LangChain, Flowise, or Llama Index for connecting AI models to applications, Zapier or Make to automate workflows, collaboration and documentation tools, Notion or Obsidian for saving prompt templates, GitHub or Prompt Base for sharing and selling prompts. Becoming familiar with these tools shows that you're not just a writer, you are an AI operator. Fifth, step by step career path. Let's now go step by step from beginner to professional prompt engineer. Step 1, learn the fundamentals of AI. Start with basic understanding: what is an LLM, how does it learn, what are tokens, temperature, and context windows. Free resources: OpenAI learning guides, Coursera AI basics, YouTube AI overviews. Step 2, practice prompt crafting daily. Use free AI tools ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and experiment. Set small challenges for yourself. Summarize a book, generate code, design a logo idea, create a YouTube script. Each experiment teaches you what phrasing works best. Step 3, learn advanced prompt techniques. Master techniques like role based prompting, act as commands, chain of thought prompting, step by step reasoning, few shot prompting, giving examples before asking a task, context conditioning, feeding background info. These are the professional tricks used by experts. Step 4, build a prompt portfolio. Start documenting your best prompts and results. Show before and after examples, improvements, and creative use cases. Use platforms like PromptBase, Sell Prompts, Notion Portfolio, LinkedIn articles showcasing your work. Step 5, learn a bit of coding, optional but valuable. Knowing how to integrate AI models via APIs or Python gives you an edge. For instance, writing a script to automatically test 10 prompts and pick the best output. You don't need to be a developer, just learn enough to automate and experiment. Step 6, apply for real projects. Start small. Freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer now have sections for AI and prompt work. Search for prompt writer, AI workflow designer, or ChatGPT assistant creator. Then move to professional roles. Companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, or startups often list prompt engineering or AI trainer positions. Step 7, keep learning and updating. AI evolves fast. Follow updates, test new models, and stay active in communities on Reddit, Discord, or X Twitter. The best prompt engineers are lifelong learners. Sixth, how to earn from prompt engineering. Now let's talk money. Option A, freelance prompt work. Write and sell custom prompts for marketing, writing, coding, or content creation. Option B, AI training and consulting. Help companies use AI effectively. Create prompt systems for chatbots, documentation, and workflows. Option C, build AI prompt libraries or courses. Once you're experienced, sell prompt templates or training guides. Option D, full-time prompt engineering jobs. Companies now pay 80,000 to 2 lakh US dollar per year for expert level prompt engineers, depending on skill and domain. Seventh, the future of prompt engineering. Prompt engineering will evolve into AI interaction design, where you design not just prompts but entire AI experiences. Soon we will see specialized roles like prompt UX designer, AI conversation architect, cognitive workflow engineer. This is not a short team skill, it's the foundation of how humans and AI will collaborate. The world runs on communication, and now that includes communication with machines. If you can learn to speak AI's language clearly and creatively, you will never be replaced. You'll be the one training the replacements. Start small, experiment daily, build your prompt portfolio, because in the age of AI, words are your code. If this video helped you to understand how to build a career in prompt engineering, hit like, subscribe for more future tech career guides, and comment below what kind of prompts you love creating. Let's build smarter humans for smarter machines.